From Kyrgyzstan. And you?
I'm from Bangladesh.
Bangladesh. Bangladesh, this is near the India.
India, yes. What do you know about Bangladesh?
But I stayed with people before living in Dubai. That's why I know Bangladesh people.
Now you live in Dubai?
No, I'm not living in Dubai, but I stayed before.
How many? I think you like to traveling.
Yeah, of course I'm traveling everywhere.
Okay, how many countries you traveling?
Maybe 25 like that.
How much?
25. What about you?
Not yet. I'm only visited my country, but I have a plan to visit some countries.
You before didn't go anywhere.
No, not other
Why?
country.
But
Because I don't.
maybe I think in your working country, right?
Yeah. I work in a bank as a computer operator.
Ah, I understand.
And what do you do for living?
Me, I'm doctor.
You are a doctor.
Yeah.
That's great.
Yeah.
You have a clinic?
No.
You don't have. You have a family?
How old are you? Of course, I have family. I asking for you. How old are you?
Can you guess my age? How old I am? What do you think?
I don't know. I didn't think like that.
Okay, let's try. Guess.
Okay, I want to guess this. Maybe you 24, maybe 26, like that.
No. I will give you more three chance. Can you tell me what is the right number?
22, 30, 31. What? Tell me you. Because I asked for you.
I'm 30 years old.
Ah, see. I told you 30, 31.
Yeah.
Good. What you married your country or what? What to do?
My country?
Yeah.
Come again. I don't know. What are you saying? Can you repeat that?
I asking for you. You are married.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, I'm married.
If you're married, why you sitting here? What you looking here?
I'm practicing English. I want to improve my English. That's why I'm here.
No, 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 you liar. No, maybe you're looking girl that's why you're sitting here.
No, no, no.
Where is your wife? You want to hear?
She's not here now.
Where she stay now?
She's cooking. Really?
Okay, show me your wife. I will talk to her. What?
I will.
I told her.
I will show it.
What you
I will show
here?
her later, not now, because she's not there now.
You liar.
No, no,
You liar now.
I'm not a liar.
Okay, okay. Okay, this is your life. You know how you want to do. This is your life. This is not my problem.
Yeah, I know
I just
that.
only asking.
But I'm here for
I just only.
improving my English. And also, I have a Facebook page and YouTube channel. I'm making English conversational video with foreigner like you. And if it's a great conversation, I will upload my video on my social platform for my improving English.